Hi everyone, and welcome to our How-To Permissions series. In this video, we're starting with one of the most important, usage permissions. Usage permissions let you decide how users export their designs outside the platform. You can control whether they can download, share, print, animate, move layers, or translate, all on a per-template basis. Let's start with the first three: download, print, and share. Do you want your users to be able to download their file as an image, PDF, or HTML, print it directly from within the platform, or share it straight to social media? But each of these options isn't just on or off. You can also enable approval mode, giving your team another level of control before anything leaves the platform. That means a user can still download, print, or share, but the design first goes to an approver for review. The approver receives both an email and an in-platform notification, compares the user's version with the original template, and approves it with one click. Simple, efficient, and fully integrated into your workflow. Then we have animation permissions, a powerful feature for motion templates. As a designer, you can set up the animation and decide whether users can modify those effects or keep them fixed. Even when locked, users can still export animated content as a GIF or MP4, preserving your original motion design. Next, layer permissions, giving or restricting the ability to move elements forward or backward in a layout. And finally, the translate permission, allowing users to translate a design in up to 35 languages. This specific permission will be covered in a separate video. Together, these usage permissions give you precise control, streamline approvals, and keep every output perfectly on brand without slowing anyone down.